Hi, it's Jordan Zwingerman from the Space Online, and I am excited, jumping out of my shoes because for one person out there is an opportunity of a lifetime. Look at yourself. Could you be the social media guru for the Space Online in our global media venture? Ask yourself that, and if the answer is yes, accept this challenge. Now, are you thinking about submitting a resume? Resumes? That's old school. Here's your resume. Click on the link below. We have a challenge for you. You are to design a social media blast covering new we've launched and promoting our live broadcast from on top of the art gallery. It's White Friday. Do your research. Develop the social media content and hand it into the Space Online. So remember, there can only be one. So who's gonna decide? That's it. You submit your content blast with specific instructions and we put it out for the world to decide. Whoever gets the biggest reaction wins the spot at the Space as our social media guru. So you know what? Throw out those old school rules. Get excited. Get ambitious. Try something new. And create new media for the new world. May the best man win.